Viewer, today our topic is deductable allowance, tax rebates, and tax credits. Before the starting video, I request you subscribe my channel, like and share. Come back to topic and start video. A taxpayer can reduce his taxable income and tax liabilities against some transaction and events as described in the income tax ordinance 2001. This kind of discount in tax bill is classified in three broad categories: deductible allowance, tax rebate, tax credits. Deductible allowance, these amounts are allowed as straight deduction from the taxable income of a person and include zakat paid under zakat and usher ordinance, payment to workers welfare fund amount denote to approved institution under uh, clause clause 61 of the second schedule, subject to maximum deduction of 30% of taxable income in case of individual and 20% in case of company. A list of the institution is given at the end of the chapter. The amount of any profit and share in rent and share in appropriation for value of a house paid by the individual in a tax year and a loan where individual utilize the loan for the construction of a few house or a question of a house subject to a maximum limit of 50 of taxable income or Rs 2 million, whichever is lower. Every individual shall be entitled to a deductible allowance in respect of the tuition fee paid by the individual in a tax year, provided that the taxable income of the individual is less than 50,000 rupees. The amount of individual a deductible allowance allow under subsection 1 for a tax year shall not exceed the lesser of the amount of individual deductible allowance allowed under subsection 1 for a tax year shall not exceed the lesser of 5% of the total tuition fee paid by the individual in the year. 25% of the person's taxable income for the year and an amount computed by the multiplying 60,000 with under the children of the individual. Tax rebate, senior citizen allowance to a person show he is 60 years of age or more on the first day of a tax year and his taxable income does not exceed Rs 1 million shall be allowed a reduction equal to 50% of his tax liability. Clause 1A, second schedule, part 3. A full-time teacher or researcher of a recognized non-profit educational and research institution including government training and research institution shall be allowed a reduction of 40% for tax liabilities and tax salary only. That is it for today. Come back in next video.